the house and like it, and it closed a tornado's eyes. Yeah.
It closed the tornado's eyes?
Yeah.
And then what did the tornado do?
It fell off in its back.
How come a tornado can't go?
It can't spin.
Why can it not spin?
It can spin like it.
And then
that.
what happens?
It comes with this. And the tornado got wings.
Tornadoes got wings?
Yes.
No way.
Like a bird.
It does?
Yeah.
Where does it get the wings from?
It comes with a bird. And a bird can't fly. It locks their wings.
Are you sure you just don't want to watch yourself on the video?
Mommy? What am I going to watch?
Okay.